We always see around yoga for ballerinas, yoga for dancers, yoga for runners. But how's about a little bit of ballet for my yoga lovers? So today I wanted to implement a little bit of the movement and beauty of ballet into your yoga routine. So movements that you're already used to, but with a little bit of a twist and a little bit of a prettiness and a little bit of imagination. So let's try it. Find a mat, find a space in your home, and let's yoga and dance it together. And if you decide that you like a mix in ballet and yoga together, why not try my 5-day Get Ballerina Fit free workout plan? It's down in the description box below. You just need to download it. Let's try it. Otherwise, let's get ready on the mat and let's dance it. Here we go, and let's start. I want you to find a little space in the middle of your rug, of your mat. Just start here. We are going to have a little bit of experience today. It's about finding time for yourself. Some of you might have done a yoga for quite some times, but I really wanted to find this time for you and move like a ballerina. A little bit of a mix, a little bit of an experience, something that you've never probably done before. So from here we're going to lift and breathe in our hands up into a V. And we breathe out, bending our knees, going all the way down. Very good. Grab the air and breathe in, up into a V. And breathe out. Come down. Very good. One more time. Breathe in. Arms into a V. It's like you're flying. And breathe. And come back up. And this time stay up here. Very good. Take one step to a side. Lift up from here. Take a stretch. Beautiful. Open up the arms and chest towards the ceiling. Very good. Coming back into the middle. And back in. Very good. We go the other way. And stretch to the side. Beautiful. And open your arms and find that twist towards the ceiling. Back to a stretch. Come back in. One more time. Here. Breathe and stretch. Port de bras. Very good. And open up towards the ceiling. Find that dance. Come back into a stretch. And in. Other side. Find this long, beautiful circular movements. And open. Sink deeper into the lower legs. Come back to center. Stretch the sides. Come back in. Very good. Take a second to the side and come at the back of your mat. From here, lift up. Very good. Forward fold. Very nice. Halfway. And breathe. Bend your knees. Come back out into a plank. And breathe beautifully. Breathe in. And out. Bend your knees again. Come back to your feet. Roll up. Very good. And breathe. And forward fold again. Halfway lengthen. And breathe. Bend your knees. Walk all the way out to a plank. Beautifully done. And breathe from here. point one foot at the back, come back down, very good, and other foot, and down, and again, up, and down, and up, and down, very good. From here, we go into downward dog. Take your time, and breathe, and stretch, very good. Take the moment, stillness, very nice. Push that mid-back and chest even more towards the floor. Sit bones going up towards the ceiling, feeling the stretch of the back of your legs. And breathe. From here, lift the right leg up to three-legged dog. Very good. Bend your knees and start stacking your hips one on top of the other. Very good. Play around with your leg. We're going for circles. We're going 1, circle 2, up and over 3, and 4. Very good. Come back straight. Very nice. Knee towards the chest. Place it in between your legs. Very good. From here, we're coming into a lunge. Very good. So far, so good. I'm sure you've done this before. From here, we're going for a little Swan Lake Dance. So from here, we're going to go pushing, opening the chest, feeling your arms like a swan. So we're going elbow, wrist come last, and we go deeper into the lunge. Very good. And from when we come open, we go elbows brushing the wall all the way. Beautiful. Open the chest towards the ceiling, coming back in. Very good. And open again, and fly, and come back in. Very good. And open, and fly back in. Hands back onto the floor. Come back into three-legged dog. And place the leg back into downward facing dog. Good. Take a moment. From there, come into plank. Beautiful. And breathe. Again, point your leg at the back. Come back in. And leg. Very good. You're doing arabesques. And in, and out, and in, and come back into downward facing dog. Beautiful. Find a little walk, a little bit of movement. Gorgeous. And breathe. Find stillness. Like a little dance, a little moment to breathe. Shoulders are wrapping around your scapulars. Very good. Pushing down. Nice. And good. We're gonna now lift our left leg. Going to three-legged dog. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Bend your knees and stack your hips. Very good. We're going a circle. Forward and around for 1. Forward and around for 2. Forward and around for 3. And 4. Very good. Open. Come back straight with your hips. Knee comes towards you. Find a plank. Knee towards the chest. Very good. Hold for a second. Place your foot in between your legs. Come into a high lunge. Beautiful. From here, sink a little bit deeper, really finding that stretch of the psoas muscles and the quads, the front. Let's go for a Swan Lake fly. So opening the chest, flying, wings the arms, and think elbows and wrists. Beautiful. So you find a nice long line, and you go again. Breathe. Open the chest and down. Beautiful. One more time. Breathe. and down. Couple more. Open and down. Last one, breathe. And down. Hands back, very good. Come back into three-legged dog. Find that stretch and come back into downward facing dog. From here, roll forward, come into a plank. You can either take a chaturanga or just gently place your knees down, okay? Up to you, whatever you decide. And then snake it through. Upward facing dog. Find that moment of breathing, opening of the chest, extra open of the chest, and front of the body that we've just found in our swan flying moment. And release down. From here, stay down here. Squeeze your legs together. Leg over the hands in front. Give me a few more flying. Fly. And down. And fly. And down. Very good. Open the chest. And down. And fly. Lift hands and feet off the ground. Legs straight. Squeeze, squeeze, breathe. Place it down. Very good. Find yourself into a child's pose. Beautiful. And breathe. And breathe out. Find a movement of stillness. Very good. From here, roll up. Right leg in between your hands, beautiful. From here, we're going up. Twist. Come back up. And twist. Very good. Up. And twist. Sink deeper into that stretch. Good. Come back into child's pose. Roll through with the other leg. Come forward. Very good. Find the stretch. Find the balance. And we're going to go open, around, and open, around. Very good. Open, around. Very nice. Sink deeper with your hips into that stretch. Very good. And come back into child's pose. Very good. Very nice. Take a moment here. Beautiful. From there, roll back up. Very nice. Feet curl under your body. From there, place your feet onto the ground. Come into a forward fold. Breathe in. On the breathe out, bend your knees and start rolling up vertebra by vertebra. Very good. Take a couple of steps to come in the middle of the mat. Start facing me. Very good. From here, mountain pose. Stay there nice and straight. Beautiful. Nice. Grounded. Proud. Beautiful. Lift your tippy toes. Very good. Find that balance. Gorgeous. And heels are starting to come down towards the ground, but you want to fight that feeling to stay up taller and stronger. So it doesn't matter if your heels are going down, you're staying up there. Beautiful. Just like we started, take one big breath in and fly and roll all the way down. Very good. Breathe in this time. Hands in a V. Good. push down one more time, heels coming up. Fighting that feeling of coming down. You don't want to come down, but your heels are pressing down, pressing down, pressing down, pressing down. And breathe. Take one big breath in. And release it through your mouth. Thank you very much for joining me today, and beautifully done. If you enjoyed mixing yoga and ballet together, why not try something specific with music that is going to transport you into another world? So try this dance flow right here. It's perfect to be transported and feel free.